Alright, so what are we doing here today? Well, we'll start with cleaning up some cords, getting them in. I got a bunch in the front. Actually, I should probably just take that with me over there. I'm gonna make a run to the scrapyard today. And drop all this stuff off, most of it. I got cords galore up here. I got more in the back. So we're gonna get them all. These are gonna go out today. That's wet. I don't like that. Keep them from getting rusty, right? There's a scrapper. See a couple of appliances on the back. Or maybe he's just delivering some stuff, I don't know. Any mess you see in here is unintentional. Not meant for eyes, as it were. Okay, that's all the cords up here. Yep. All right. Come on. Can't get my hands to work right this morning. Where are you? Where did that go? Right here. Where are you off to? Down here. I know this isn't the greatest part of the show, but there's a part that's got to be done. Come on. Come on. thought there was, brother, a couple more. There's one. Yeah, it's on the top one here. I've been thinking about this. I don't know that I want to. So I got room left in there. There's one more snubby, but piece of cord that long, I'm not going to worry about it. I don't know why I didn't take care of this. There's a bunch of cords on this junk too. Really? $1.07 a pound last time I took it in. Work on a couple of things here. I decided instead of tearing all this stuff apart, it's all going to go as breakage. But I got some other little goodies here that I'm going to work on. Good. Hey, come on. Wonder if so I think that's copper. Just 1 second. Yeah, it's brass, so that's what I thought. Yeah, it actually took me longer, folks, than I thought it would, because not this tire, but the one on the other side was really low, so I had to go put some air in it. Yep, that's all copper, so it's number 2. All right, I want to get together, I got a tote, or not a tote, a crate, somewhere here, right there. It's got copper in it. This is a lot of brass and junk, but let's get one going for copper. How about that? Let's clean up some of this copper back here if we can. Hey, come on, baby. A little bit of weight in there, but it's not all copper. Some of it is, some of it isn't. Like this, I'm pretty sure is brass. We'll just brother. Nice and hot. Ow. Maybe I should be wearing these. Actually, let's get 2 buckets up here. One for copper, one for brass. Come on, baby.
Not yet.
Excuse me. Woohoo, burping. Woohoo. C, B. There we go. Number 2. Yeah, I got a bunch of little stuff here. Nah, that's good. With it. Brass. Stupid Parkinson's. Okay. See if I can. Ah, dang it. Shoot. Okay. Where are you going? Where are you going? Oh, Jesus. You got nothing. There we go. That is shred, which I have right there. of this. Ah, brother. I think if I get enough of that off of that. Yeah, because it's right inside there. Ah, it just keeps cutting it and cutting it and cutting it. Garbage. Right here. Brass. I wonder how hard these would be to get out of here with the yeah, that's not going to work because I didn't cut enough off on this side to handle that. I know, give me crap. This is going to go a shred. Now I got to try something else. Walt suggested that I take this motor off of here. Problem is these are star heads. And the nearest thing I have to a star head is these. And this one. Come on, baby. I'm thinking. I don't know. Yeah, see, it just slips. It just slips. Yeah. They're all star heads. I don't have that. I don't know why they gotta do that crap. So that's just gonna go shred, except oh, for the love of Pete. This stuff can never be nice to me. Oh, Jesus, there we go. Come on. That's the ticket. All right. See if I can get this one off of here. There we go. And we can take it the rest of the way with the regular tool. Sort of. Yeah, I could probably try to bash that copper motor off there too. But yeah, thanks, water. Yeah, there's a motor inside here. Little copper thing. Yeah, these are, jeez, same thing. I just had you out where you know. Put you back. Yeah, right here. Oy. See if we can extract that. Ah, keeps whacking myself with the vise handle. There we go. Look, that's sheet. See, there's a lot of work for little stuff. A lot of work. At least for me. Feel the screw. Boy. Yeah, it's so tiny. That's why I don't like doing these kinds of videos, folks. My pounding is so much easier than doing this. Jeez, that little itty bitty screw. All I need for this to do is get out of the way here. There. Then I should be able just to pop this. Come on. Like that. And with this. Oh, look at it, it's going right through it. Yeah, get the broom. Whoops. Come on. You're just wire, you're not a pipe. There you go. Wait, something in my eye. There we go. Copper. Copper. I'll just do the same thing to the other side, I think. Those are brass, I think. I don't know. Go till we see sparks, right? Uh-oh. Okay, there's plastic underneath that. Break it loose somewhat. Wow, really? How can that be just drive cut through it? What are you hanging on to? We've got Klingons, Captain. Klingons. Okay. Well, guess what? I've spent enough time fiddling with this. This is now shred. Oh, brother. Okay. Shred over here. Not there. There we go. Okay. Well, I got as much off there as I want to get. This is garbage. Hey, come on. I'll take that off there. Oh, gosh, I should be calling. Hey, money in the bucket. Garbage. I'm not fooling with it. All right. We'll add this to the pile. Pile? Yep, pile. There. Now this thing. It's got a couple of little pieces of brass on it. Right here. And right there. A little too loose. Oh, there's a piece right there too. Let's get that one first. Oh, wrong way, Chevy. All right, I have shown you enough. For now, I'm going to shut down and I will bring you back after I get everything ready to go. All right, folks, what I've been doing for the last 2 hours is this. Copper, brass, separating stuff out of this tote. This tote was full of stuff. Now it's damn near empty. I got that one to go through. I got a bunch more back there to go through. I had all that stuff to deal with right there. But I am not going to be doing a non-ferrous run today. I'm just going to take what I have in the back of the truck in for a shred, second load of shred, and get my money for it, and save the non-ferrous stuff for later, for more money. Had some brass in here, I took it out. I got wee little bits of this kind of sitting everywhere. But we're gonna hang on to this stuff. Bunch of aluminum to clean up these little chunks. I got some more on another piece like this. I can't remember where I put it. Somewhere right there. On a silver plated spoon or bare bray wire. I got a lot of stuff in here yet. That's all shred. And I'm letting this can go too, so that's going with me. Put that in there right now. But I'm gonna glove up first. I've been working barehanded. Shouldn't have been. And my battery, I had to put a second battery on the grinder to take care of that stuff. It finally died on me. I don't have the big one with me, so that one lasts quite a bit longer. But I got quite a lot done. Let me clean up my tools a bit. Had everything out. That shred. Let's go back in the truck with me. Oh yeah. Yep. Huge. Oh yeah, excuse me. Yep, can and all. It's going. Oh, brother. That's going to be a heavy one. Where are you, handle? All right, let's go. like so. Oh, really? Oh, man. I got a bunch of these stuck down in here. Okay. One there, one there. Bunch of these nails that didn't go out. That's plastic. Okay, you don't need to see that. What else can I chuck in here? Kind of buried the bicycle, and I suppose, no, not yet. I want to see if that might work. It's still in box. Breakage. This thing. Oh, brother, no. Junk. Light junk I don't need. Actually, before I do that, let me rehook these. Come on. I really fiddled with some little stuff here. Like this. Looks coppered on it. It's not phony stuff. Yeah, I don't really need this anymore either, but this can all go in there. No, it's not garbage. It's little junk I don't want to fiddle with anymore today. What am I doing here? Turning around in a circle doing nothing. All right. There's something over there already digging on it. You're gonna go in the way I want you to go in, jackass. Come on. Just like that. Sorry about that. Sorry for the lingo. I just don't want this to, oh yeah, there you go. Hook around that. It's not what I wanted. I need you to stretch like that. There you go. I wonder if come on. Oh man, this is a mess. Oofty goofty, come on. Get on there. Barely stretch across, but we will see if we can get it to cooperate just a little. That's not going anywhere. trying to make some bigger weight. I don't know if that. Yeah, I'm gonna wait on that door panel, folks. That's gonna take up a lot of room, sticking out the back. So, all right, well, let's go back to the scrap yard. Oh, you know what I can take? And I may as well take it. Breakage. Very nice extruded aluminum. This thing. I'll be needing that soon. This thing right here. Yep, that can go. Go over to, this is not a, doesn't have a Freon in it. So, but this guy told me I could throw that in the shred pile. All right, folks, we're gonna get going. We'll get some money. See you at the scrap yard.